Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the video in which we are going to discuss about the rules of logarithms. Okay, so if you have not watched that previous video in which we introduced the basics to logarithms, you should watch that video for you to understand the rules of logarithms. Okay, so the rules of logarithms, we said that there are about three laws of logarithms. Okay, so and we are going to discuss these rules of logarithm in this video. Okay, so the first rule, before we start that, let's say we have let's say let p be equal to a m and q. So we have these exponential equations, q equal to a to the power n. Okay, so we know if we want to change these exponential equations to logarithmic form, we say that m is the base, the index always becomes the logarithm. So we're going to say m is equal to the logarithm of p to the base a. This is our m, and our n is equal to the logarithm of q to the base a. Okay, so this I've expressed these exponential equations to logarithmic form like that. Okay, so we are going to deal now with the laws of logarithm. So we are going to start with law 1. So law 1 in law 1, let's say we have a situation which says we're saying that PQ, like this PQ, so we know that our P is equal to AM. Okay, so our P is equal to AM, so it's going to be A to the power M, like that, multiplied by Q, and we know that our Q is equal to A to the power N, like that, A to the power N. Okay, so when we go to indices, we know that this is we can write this as M plus N, like that. Okay, so this shows that PQ is equal to A M plus N, like that. Okay, so let's say now we have this exponential equation. So we have this exponential equation, we want to take it into logarithmic form. So we are going to say that the logarithm of PQ to the base A, so my base is A, is equal to M plus N, like that. Okay, so we know that our M is equal to the logarithm of P to the base A. And we also know that N is equal to the logarithm of Q to the base A. So we are going to substitute where there is M, we put logarithm of P to the base A, and where there is N, we put the logarithm of Q to the base A, like that. Okay, so we are going to say the logarithm of PQ to the base A, like that, is equal to the logarithm of P to the base A plus the logarithm of Q to the base A, like that. So this is our law 1, like this. This is our law 1, like that. So whenever we have the logarithm of PQ to the base A, is the same as writing the logarithm of P to the base A plus the logarithm of Q to the base A, like that. So this is our law 1. Okay, so what about law 2? What about law 2? How is it going to be? So for law 2, we have a situation which says P over Q. Okay, P over Q. So we know that our P is equal to A to the power M. So this is equal to A to the power M over, and our q is equal to a to the power n. So a to the power n, like that. Okay, so whenever we have such situation, you remember your indices. This is going to be a m minus n, like that. Okay, so p over q, like that, p over q like that is going to be a m minus n. Okay, so we can write this exponential. You see that this is an exponential equation. We can change it into logarithmic form. So into logarithmic form is going to be the logarithm of p over q is equal to the logarithm of p over q solely to the base a is equal to m minus n. Okay, like that. So we know also that our m is equal to the we know that our m is equal to the logarithm of p to the base a, and our n is equal to the logarithm of q to the base a. Okay, so we are going to substitute also in this form. We are going to substitute where there is m, we put the logarithm of p to the base a, and where there is n, here is our n, we are going to substitute the logarithm of q to the base a, like that. Okay, so let's substitute. So we know that this is going to be the logarithm of p over q, like that, to the base a is equal to our m is equal to the logarithm of p to the base a minus the logarithm of q to the base a. So this is our root 2. Okay, so whenever we have division, we talk about subtraction, and whenever we have multiplication like this, we are talking about addition. Okay, so we go to our loop our loop 3. So our loop 3, so this is our root 3, the laws of logarithm. Okay, so the same situation, we know that our p is equal to am, like that, and our q is equal to a to the power n. Okay, same thing. So we know that m is equal to the logarithm of p to the base a, and our n is equal to the logarithm of q to the base a, like that. Okay, so this is going to take us to our root 3. So our root 3, let's say we have a situation which says p like that to the power n, like this. So we know that our p is equal to a to the power n. So we put a to the power m, like that. This is our p. Then we introduce the brackets, like that. Then this is our n. So this is our p, like that. So we can also generalize this. We can also generalize this favor, saying that this is also m a to the power m n, like that.